Hi guys, let's help continue life in our environment. The balance of every life, such as humans, plants, and trees, is important, and each plays a significant role in nature as the habitat of each. When we clean, we remove the wild grass and weeds, but we also save the birds or nests we see with eggs. When we destroy the environment, everyone is affected, including us humans, because everything is interconnected in existence. Therefore, let's take care of each other, show concern for nature and the environment. When I came here, I felt sad because Dollandon, or the local orange tree that had been alive since my grandparents' time, its trunk and branches had dried. I was still in elementary school back then. This Dollandon had already bearing fruits. Perhaps, like humans, it also has its own time of passing. Here, in this plant, I saw Salag pugad, or a bird's nest on the branch of a small plant, which proves the importance of plants for breeding and caring for offspring for birds. That's why even when we clean, there should also be limitations for other small creatures like birds. In this small plant, we can see a salag, or hidden bird's nest. It's a good thing that I noticed it before I cut off the branch, because I trimmed some branches of the plant to clean the environment. I didn't cut it off completely but just trimmed a branch, and that's where I found these 3 bird eggs. I'm sure the mother bird will come back to this nest, so I let the life of these eggs continue in the nest that is important to the mother bird.